Hello guys, I hope you all are fine. In today's video we will be discussing the concept of ambiguous grammar, or I would write ambiguity in CFG. Guys, this is a very important term. Mostly in interviews this thing can be asked. Ambiguity in CFG. What is ambiguity? Ambiguity in CFG means, ambiguity in context free grammar means, if there are more than one derivation tree deriving the same string, it means if there are more than one derivation tree of same grammar, that grammar is known as ambiguous grammar. Important point, guys, I would like to highlight: if there are more than one derivation tree generating same string, means if whatever string that we are basically highlighted, that string is generated by two parse trees or two derivation trees, that is known as ambiguous grammar. So it means a grammar rules will be given to you. You will be assuming one particular string, and if there are two different derivation trees which are generated, it means that grammar is ambiguous grammar. Like for an example, in your C++, in your what is ambiguity? Ambiguity means if a single single derived class is basically deriving from two classes and the same function name is inherited, again by calling that function with derived class object, it becomes tricky if they are inherited in public mode. So again, if there are two different derivation trees for a same particular string, we don't know what derivation tree is correct. That means this is something which is ambiguous, and that is known as an ambiguous grammar. Let me highlight that with a particular example. Let's just take that example part. We have a particular string which is a grammar which is given to us S. We have input terminals as plus, minus, I'm writing plus, multiplication. Guys, these are multiplying operators and are also taken as terminals, A and B, right? We have production rules and we have starting symbol. A grammar is given to us as S is generating S plus S multiplied by S is generating A as well as B. Since this is getting terminated by A and B, it means there will be some strings which will be obtained. So how it is known as an ambiguous grammar, guys? It means I have to draw two different trees, right? And if they generate same string, that means it is ambiguous. So I can start with S. I can start with S plus S, right? This S can be written as S multiplied with S. We can write it. I can terminate this S with A. I can terminate this S with B. I can terminate this S with A. So from the terminals, you have to basically see terminals. Terminals are A plus B multiplied A. It means A plus B multiplied A is a string that is generated. Now if I generate this string with another derivation tree, that means this grammar is ambiguous. So it means I'm writing S, then I'm basically going to create a different derivation tree. I'm writing S multiplied with S, right? Now over here I can write S plus S. It's up to me. I can take any value of S, but it has to be terminated by terminal. And this S I can take any value. I can give it as A, I can give it as B, I can give it as A. So if I am going to calculate the entire string from the left side, A then terminated with plus, then B, then multiplied, then A. A plus B multiplied with A. This is also another string, this same string. Again, both are same, but your derivation trees are different. It means which derivation tree is correct. This CFG is known as an ambiguous grammar. So there are many examples that we can quote for any ambiguous grammar or ambiguity in grammar. Let's take another example of the same thing. I'll be taking another example with so we take another example of ambiguous grammar. There is this grammar given. We have got S and we have got A as a terminal. Production rule is SBS/A, and S is a starting terminal. There is only one non-terminal. S is a starting non-terminal, by the way. S is generating SBS, right? This S is generating as SBS, and I'm terminating them because there is only one terminating rule. I'm terminating them with A. So what I'm getting? A B A B A. The string is A B A B A. We have written this thing. Now another tree I can easily create. S is generating SBS, and this S is generating SBS again. I can write it as A, I can write it as A, I can write it as A. Again, just see the string A B A B A. Clearly same strings, and you have different derivation trees. This is a clear example of ambiguous grammar. If you like this particular example, if you like the video, kindly press the like button, kindly share it amongst many people. Thank you very much.